Hello guys, first of all congratulations to all the UGC NET aspirants. Finally the wait is over. NTA come up with a notification of the exam date. So just today only 1 hour back they have released their notification dated 10th of August 2021. Actually they have to give yesterday but uploaded today in the website of the NTA UGC NET. So finally, they took a decision due to postponement of a December 2020 cycle to the 2021. So they have merged the December 2020 and June 2021 examination. Both got merged, and only single examination is going to be conducted for this both the cycle of exams. Now there are many things which is to be clarified with respect to these examination, because whether new applications will be invited or not, and if the old applications are considered, new people will be losing their eligibility for this examination. And if all are eligible, how many JRFs are going to be there, as it is a two examination merging? How many JRF slots will be available? So many things are there, and examination dates also been mentioned by them as 6th of October to 11th of October they have mentioned. So let's see, like all these doubts with respect to the application and JRF number of slots, as well as the related examination related total, all the doubts I will be discussing today at 5:30 p.m. in the Unacademy free platform special class. The link of that class is given in the description of this video. Please click on that link and come at live at 5:30 p.m. today. So I will be telling you total the details about examination dates, which is not only given over here, the possibilities of the new applicants and the number of JRF slot, the percentage also we will be discussing there, how the methodology of calculating the number of slots, everything I will tell you in detail in an Academy special class at 5:30 p.m. Very short session will be there. In a simple form, I will tell you how it is going to be there, so that we will get a clarity what we have to do and what we should not do. Done. We'll meet at 5:30 p.m. and congratulations once again. Now it's time for to gear up our preparation to large extent, because we need to speed up to cover all the paper 1, paper 2, 10 units which is there according to your paper 2 subjects. So we'll be coming up with the special free courses also, and plus courses also. We'll be intimating in detail about those future plan of action to be done before the examination. So thank you so much, and do subscribe to this channel and hit the like button to click on the bell icon also. Do share with your friends, and this is an important update, and do not forget to come live at 5:30 p.m. today. All your doubts please hold on and come and post it at YouTube, like Unacademy live platform, so it will be beneficial to clear your doubts. Thank you so much guys.